Hello, everybody. We are live at IMT and we're going around asking students about their campus life experiences and what it is like to be a student here.
Yeah, that's part of being a student of IMT. Okay, the other part is all these punctual coming to school and you can say the uniform part. You see somebody that you know that his life is he at this stage he doesn't supposed to be wearing uniform. You mandate that person to go and wear uniform, something like that.
School uniform, like it's so frustrating, sha. We no one day wear this shoe every day, sha. Let them change it. Because I go date somebody outside the school, even if say you senior me with how many years for this school, I no fit date you, bro. We can't.
How will you date students now? Students, you have problem and you are going to someone that has problem. You will kill yourself now. Somebody that you have burden, you have not tackled your burden, and you are going to someone that has the burden in that person's shoulder is even bigger than your own, and you want to date that person. The person will kill you. You will suffocate.
Yeah. For the fact na fan chani ne jonjo, I'm mandating her. Like never, I can't even do that.
No, I can't. No. One is familiarity.
Which one is love? But now that grade carry me come school now. Love is rubbish now. Normal now. Men not supposed they find love. You don't supposed to seek for love. Love should. This is I don't know how to put it, but no, nothing like love. That thing doesn't exist.